today we're going to be doing 2 different types of slime challenges. The Instagram makes your slime.
And the blindfolded slime challenge.
So you guys
will be watching it.
You guys went on my Instagram poll and you decided like what type, what add-ins, what color, and what glue to use. And so
let's
right
just
now,
get into it.
we're going to get to that. Now we're going to be doing the Instagram chooses the slime you make. So we asked you guys what glue you want, and mostly everyone said white. So we're going to be using
White.
Gallons.
Gallons?
School glue, not glue all, because that's only one person. Is that good? That's good. Okay. Next. What color?
What does it say?
We got mostly blues. So,
There's the blue, Nina.
what you can do it. Do you want light blue or dark blue?
Let's say
Medium blue?
medium.
Do 4.
There's so much bugs. Yay.
Mixy, mixy.
No, I like this.
We both mixy, mixy. Okay, so
That's blue.
the rule is that you get to choose one thing to change. And you all are boring and said thick and glossy slime, like, who says that? So instead we're going to be making fluffy slime because that's more fun. Oh, no, there's an ant. This is what happens when you make slime outside.
So now we'll just change. Now our one change from the thick
This
and
is
glossy.
liquid shaving cream. Oh,
That's
no,
not
it's not.
liquid.
Yes. This is my one thing of not liquid. I'm going to add some... Oh, dang it. I didn't bring baking soda. Well,
Who would have thought of that? We should have put more. We should have made it a dark blue. Because now it's going to be light blue.
you can add more. Sorry this is so boring.
At the end, you guys are going to vote which slime is better from the blindfold one. So is mine
It's-
better from hers from the blindfold or hers when we get to it?
We're only doing one blindfold. We're doing it together.
Yeah, I know. Just let's see what looks better at it. Just
You're
watch.
interesting.
I'm an interesting child.
We're
An
going to
odd
have to
duck.
mix with our hands the next time. Or we can use knives.
Oh, I thought I got lip. I can't use my spoon.
Okay. So then we asked you guys if you wanted glitter, foam, sand, etc. And you guys said foam and glitter. So we're going to be adding both. No one said sand, which was stupid. You guys should have said sand because I brought sand. But your call. Do you want to have blue glitter?
Sure.
I brought this for Hanukkah, even though I don't celebrate Hanukkah. Just pour it in. Wow. Great idea.
You told me to pour it.
I know.
Look, you got 2 in there. You got 2 in there.
Well, crap. We need the borax just to mix it up. We need glitter. Let's add this glitter.
I'll add it. Okay, find it.
Let's just not do foam. That's our second change.
You can only do one change.
Well, not that many people said foam anyway. I was just joking.
So pretty.
Pretty, I know. Okay, we need some
Water.
borax. We got water.
Where is it?
It's right here. I decided to use borax from Valentina slime because I'm super cool. Is this 1 teaspoon? I think it is.
Just guess.
Ah, that's a lot. Now we need to mix it with our
Here,
super...
I got it. I'll mix it over here. That turned out wrong. It's gonna mix.
She says.
I got it. Nina?
So the consistency It's looking pretty bad.
Because it's just not even. It's just.
SRQ. Considering there's no activator.
So, look at it activated. It's so cool. I think it's mixed enough.
I think so too. No, just pour it.
Tell me.
Okay. Hey, it's getting there. I'm gonna just use my hands because
I'm gonna put this right here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I'll get the other bottom piece.
no. Okay.
Oh my god, I don't want to use my other hand.
You need more water. It's looking good. It's just sticky. Sticky. I need more. Wow.
It's gonna spill.
Okay. Thank you. So, by the way,
Our slimes are looking really good.
if you want the slime, comment down below.
We'll sell it for you for free.
$500. Wait,
For $300.
Yeah, because we
There's
touched it.
grass. I don't want that on me. Come on.
Well, it's not even that like.
Bad.
Yeah.
Mine. Isn't that one? You want to touch it? What? It's so
It's
satisfying.
amazing.
Oopsie.
Try not to do that.
It's an accident.
Okay. Can I have some of that? Let's just.
Hey, you have. Look how yours.
Yeah, but I need to add that to this so it's not as sticky. Come on, quick.
Give me a second. I want to play with it.
Oh my god.
I want to get it all off my hand.
You can mix it yourself. Can I have some water, please? I can't reach it.
Water.
Okay. Some water.
Better.
It's literally louder than inside because of the planes.
Why would you be by an airport? On a film.
What else is in that building?
You just know what's in there, everything.
They have laser tag.
You need something to soften it. It's not softening it. What softens it?
Says the one who brought nothing. I was
Says-
up. Says exactly.
Says me who brings some things. I got you water.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Okay. So, can't really make bubbles here. That's okay. It smells good. Now my hands are all messy.
Rate this slide
Fine,
1 out of
it's
10.
Oh no, how are we going to turn off the camera? Well, I hope you enjoyed.
Ask him to
It looks very good. It's a
rate it 1 out of 10 in the
teeny
comments.
bit rippy, but you know, with what we have, it's good. So, see you for our next challenge.
It's off.
I don't think it turned off.
How do you turn it? Oh, this is just.
Okay, so right now we're ninjas, but soon we'll be blindfolded, and we're doing the blindfolded slime challenge. We have glue, not atoms, types,
And glitter stuff that you put in.
and color. Okay,
color.
so ready?
Set. Go.
We only have 2 types of glue, so I can't see. I'm just closing my eyes.
Yeah, that's the point.
I'm scared. Oh no, I think that's enough. This is hard. Okay, now do the colors. Oh, that's
I
not
want
enough.
I picked this color. Watch out. I don't even know if your hands are there. Make sure. Am I putting it in the bowl?
What color are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay, just do like 4. You done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm gonna see the type, and I can kind of feel types. So if it's like something you add in after, I'll just total it. Shaky, shaky, eggs and bacon. Wait. We originally got cloud, but we only have like that much water, so I'm just gonna do this. I don't know what this is. Okay.
So
Now, wait.
is it my turn?
How much feel it?
You know it opens.
We got kinetic sand.
My turn.
I think it's
Glitter.
kinetic.
I'll do
Okay.
glitter. I'll tell you when I'm done. I want to add 2 glitters. Wait, that's not working. I have to add that first.
Done?
No.
Could be adding like 10 or something.
No.
Where's the activator? It's not good. Crap, where's the activator?
I don't know.
Sir? Where's the activator? Okay, here's the bowl.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
Oh no. Did you add too much?
Oh no. Oh, is that the wall?
Is that it?
Oh,
Should be in the
the
bucket.
bucket.
I have a spoon. I'm gonna mix it.
Where's this other spoon? You know, the spoons are blue from the last farm spoon. I'm just gonna like,
Just mix it. It feels a little.
uh-oh.
I think you added too much.
3, 2, 1, look.
What'd you do? Pour some of the water out.
Ew.
Take it out before it gets too glossy. Glossy? Why'd you say glossy?
You added fruit slices. Wow.
I didn't mean to. Was I not allowed to? I thought it was something else.
Okay, let's add some glue.
No, this needs activator. No, my glue. You know.
You can't use your hand with glue. Yeah, you know, Silly Sophia decided to drop all the activators.
And so now we have.
That much for that.
Add some shaving cream. We'll make it better, I promise.
Okay, well, we're doing kinetic sand slime, so we kind of fail at this. I thought it was going to be better. I thought it was just like, I knew I didn't add any glue, and then you were like, let me add the glitter. So I was like,
added glue.
no, I didn't add glue. It's a pretty color, though.
Yeah, I can't believe I take cream. Let's watch the footage once we get inside. Or can we? Like once we get inside, can we watch the footage?
You don't have to ask.
Yeah.
This is why you don't buy Turbis tumblers. Oh, I see. Wait, what? What happened?
Phil.
No, it's Turbis. Waterscapes, pools, and spa. I'm assuming.
Can we add more like
We were just going like that.
We need more something.
Oh, I think it's 2 cups piled together.
I need to just add something.
Okay, well, there's no activators, so
Add shaving cream.
that's gonna make it worse.
Well
But
then, can someone please get water?
wait, what if we add just straight up borax?
Yeah.
That's a good plan.
My hands are all dirty. Wait, that's actually doing something. No, do add more shaving cream. That's actually doing something.
Ew. What is wrong with you? Okay, now I'm gonna add the sand. It seems like a great time. Whoa, the
You want some?
sand's green. I have like.
Does it look like boogers?
Stop!
This is not how we're supposed to turn out.
Ew, it's all chunky. This is not right.
Nothing.
I don't want to use all of it. Oh, we should add some grass.
Oh wait, this makes it melt more.
I know that.
Add more,
Just gonna add it.
add more something.
Shaving cream without activator. We
Wow.
already done with it. It was. That's why we need borax. That's gonna make it like super bad. We need water.
Can you get some water?
I'll just spit. Wait, wait, we can squeeze the water out of
We're
this.
definitely posting this. That's it. We're posting it. It's going on viral. This is gonna go viral.
Ew. Whoa, it's actually getting kind of good.
Yeah, because you're borax. Put more in.
No, then it's going to be all shaky. Stop! You're getting it everywhere.
You better not get it on my shorts.
Your Lululemon shorts.
They're not. They're Nike. You know those boy Lululemon shorts? You should get some. I bet you're rich.
No.
Yeah. Hey guys, want to meet our friend? Come on, say hi, friend.
We're making slime.
Oh my god, this is what happens when you add borax.
Blindfolded slime challenge.
Nobody likes slime. I don't care. I like slime. Does it look like boogers?
Stop.
This would have been better to do inside, you know, it's kind of
Messy.
That's all hot.
just hot.
Look,
I
it
did.
took us so long to get this.
Don't judge.
Don't judge. This took us so long to get to this
We did
point.
this blindfolded, okay?
Blindfolded.
Don't put it on my lip.
Well, I'm trying to get it
See,
off
that's
your
what happens
lip.
when you add borax.
Well, that's what happens when you do it.
That's what happens when you dump out all the water.
Boogers.
This is nasty.
Boogers.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our video.
Please smash that like button
And notification button.
and subscribe.
Yup.
Hope you enjoyed. We'll be seeing you guys tomorrow.
Maybe. Comment down below ideas for tomorrow's video. So yeah. Bye.